Hello and welcome to OYA Tours TV, the official YouTube channel for OYA Tours GH. We show you all the beautiful sights and tourist attractions in Ghana. We find it a pleasure to take you to special tour sites that many tour organizations don't take you. In addition to that, we also give you a feel of what goes on visually through our channel, OYA Tours TV. We generally provide content on every potential tour activity both in and outside the country. And as part of our content for our YouTube channel, today we are looking at some quick facts about Cape Coast as a tourism destination center. So what are the best things to do in Cape Coast, Ghana? The trading post turned slave fort played a key role in the transatlantic slave trade, processing tens of thousands of slaves for shipment to the New World. The entrance fee includes a very informative tour and an optional visit to the museum. Elmina Castle lies 11 kilometers to the west of Cape Coast Castle. It too started out as a trading post but ended up as a slave fort in the hands of the Portuguese. While their history is similar, Elmina Castle has a colder, darker feel. A tour of Elmina Castle after your castle visit will give you a good feel for some of the local culture and lifestyle. After taking a trip and a tour to the Cape Coast Castle and Elmina Castle, one place you can also go is the Kakum National Park, which is a tropical rainforest about an hour's drive outside Cape Coast. The big attraction here is a canopy walkway where you can trek across rope bridges suspended 40 meters above the forest floor. How far is Cape Coast from Accra? Cape Coast is 147 kilometers, about 2 to 3 hour drive west of Accra. You can get there by car, luxury bus we recommend, and of course by our own arrangement. So you can contact us at oyatoursgh@gmail.com if you want us to arrange for a tour for you right from wherever you are in whichever part of the world. Now, you've heard all about what to do in Cape Coast, but what about touring with us to the Western region and especially to where Ghana's first founder, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, was born? For more information, send us a message via our YouTube page, oyatoursgh@gmail.com. See you in our next video as we travel to Mori, Ghana's historical fishing city.